Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make Desi dumbbells at home. First, let's gather our essential materials. You'll need 2 sturdy plastic containers, perhaps old paint buckets, to act as your weight molds. For the handle, find a strong metal or PVC pipe, roughly 1 foot to 1.5 feet in length. We'll also need cement, sand, and gravel to mix our concrete, along with water, a mixing bucket, and a trowel. Having everything ready makes the process smooth and efficient. Now let's get to mixing and pouring. In your mixing bucket, combine 1 part cement, 2 parts sand, and 3 parts gravel. Slowly add water, stirring continuously until you have a thick, consistent concrete paste. Next, pour this mixture into your first plastic container, filling it approximately 2/3 of the way. Carefully center one end of your pipe handle into the wet concrete, making sure it stands straight. This forms the first weight of your dumbbell. With your first weight setting, it's time to complete the other side. Allow the initial concrete weight to firm up for at least 24 hours. Once it's solid enough, repeat the entire mixing and pouring process for your second plastic container. Carefully insert the remaining end of your pipe handle into this fresh concrete, ensuring it's perfectly centered. Now, the most crucial step. Let both weights cure completely for a minimum of 3 to 5 days. This ensures maximum strength and durability for your new Desi dumbbells. Finally, let's talk about customization and important safety tips. You can easily adjust the weight of your dumbbells by simply using larger or smaller containers for your concrete molds. For a more comfortable workout, consider wrapping the pipe handle with athletic tape or a sturdy cloth. Before every single use, always take a moment to inspect your dumbbells for any cracks or signs of instability. And remember, storing your homemade equipment in a dry place will help prevent any material degradation, ensuring they last for many workouts to come.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.